Okay, remember in this room, this was the guest room. Remember that I told you there was a squeak here? Well, no wonder there's a squeak. Look at this. It looks like they piecemealed this in here. Right there. Now I can fix that, can't I? Hopefully there's a joist going across there, or the floor joist might be going this way every 12 inches. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe every 12 inches. And they must have, I don't know what they did. Yeah, see, that's 12 inches. And the next one, it looks like there's another, oh, that's 16 inches. That might be 16-inch centers. And there must, maybe there's a header across here or something for underneath or something. And look how far off they got with their plywood. They just piecemealed this thing. Look at this. Here's another little piece right here. These should be 4x8 sheets. Boom, 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 boom. And somehow or other, somebody had to do some patching in here before. And there's all kinds of divots in the wood. See there? Look at that. And you think, what's that from? Well, probably whoever lived here before they decided to put carpet here, maybe there were hardwood floors here, and they used the staple gun, the nailer thing, and then when they were pulling it up, some areas they didn't clean off as well. Because see, I noticed it in here. It actually doesn't look too bad, but in the master bedroom there were some bits that were up.